Welcome to Cabana Mini Suite 9358 on the Sun Princess. Come on inside with us and take a look at this fabulous cabin. This cabin is fully handicap accessible. We love the well-lit closet area that includes a safe that you put your own 4-digit code in. It's got a great desk, plenty of electrical outlets, a queen-size bed, and on the door you'll find the instructions of where your muster station is and what to do in case of an emergency. So let's go take a look inside the bathroom that is handicap accessible with the grab rails, roll-in wider doorway, roll-in shower, the shower wand that moves up and down. The soap and shampoo is in a place where you can reach it from the fold-down bench. Heading back out into the cabin, we're going to see a full-length mirror there on your left. A wheelchair can easily access the left side of the bed here, and look at this great big TV that you got to watch from the bed. I appreciate them having a large TV. This is a fully accessible, which means your wheelchair will fit on both sides of the bed, right or left. And there I am trying to hide. Rolling forward here, we're going to see another large TV in front of a couch that is a fold-out couch. The cabin has plenty of room to turn your wheelchair or scooter around 360 degrees in the bathroom as well as the main cabin. But let's go out here into the cabana area now. And there is a fold down ledge here so that your wheelchair can roll right out into this cabana room. You'll find another large TV and another couch. This one does not fold out though. I found it quite comfy though to sit there, close that door on the right, and watch my football games. Now the door behind me here goes out double wide out to your balcony. So the first door just opens up out to the right, and once you get it open, there's a latch outside that will hold that door open for you. Now if you want to open the second door, this one you just twist the little handle here and then push in the middle, and it folds right out. Now from this cabana room out to the balcony, it does not have a wheelchair ramp, so there's about a 2-inch drop there. To see more detail about this cabin in particular, we have a full-length video of this cabin, and we'll show you a whole lot more details than what we're showing you here in this shorter version. Now you got two great chairs that have footstools in front of them so you can sit like a lounger. You got a table, plenty of room out here for the wheelchair. It's just that ledge you got to be careful of there going outside. Now this room is located on deck 9, right in front of the sphere. That's that big blue bubble looking thing sticking out the side of the ship that you see, which is part of the piazza. So if you're coming off the piazza on deck 9, this is the first cabin you'll come to. I was able to vlog leaving the Port Everglades here in Fort Lauderdale from this balcony. Got a great video on that too. We found this to be a nice location, a fantastic cabin, and we love the Sun Princess. We hope you enjoyed this tour of cabin 9358, Cabana Mini Suite here on the Sun Princess. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And check out all of our other videos from the Sun Princess. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.